Hi there, this is Michael with ideaLEVER Solutions. In this quick tip video, we'll be talking about default styles, or the styling of text in our SiteCM page editor, creating headings and paragraph text. Regarding heading text, Google and other search engines use heading styles and their content as ranking factors for your pages. The text or phrase within the heading 1 is considered more important than the content of your heading 2. The heading 1 defines the topic of the page. The heading 2 through 6 further break that topic down into separate subtopics. Below each heading, it's recommended that you then use a paragraph to further define the topic you've introduced using your heading style. This principle is very similar to creating an essay. The very first title of your essay defines the essay's subject. The remaining headings in your essay break the subject down into separate subtopics. A search engine reads your website pages in the same way, looking for a heading to define the root topic of your page and its subtopics, which further define the root topic. Below each heading, it's recommended that you use a paragraph to illustrate more the topic that you've introduced on the page itself. Now comes the easy part, formatting your page using your default styles. I'm going to show you a method which I call the one-click method. In this method, I will not be selecting any text. Instead, I'll be clicking my mouse cursor within each line of text I would like to format as either a heading or a paragraph. Let me show you. My first heading 1 on the page, the most important heading, is about us, our company. I'm going to click my mouse cursor in this text, and from my default styles menu, I'm going to select the heading 1 style. The text I've clicked my mouse cursor into has immediately been formatted as a heading 1. It's that simple. Let's format this next line of text as a paragraph. I click my mouse cursor inside of this line of text and I choose the normal paragraph styling. So you know the normal paragraph styling automatically applies a font style, a font size, and padding and other finesse to the line or paragraph of text you formatted. There's no need to reapply any inline styling to the text itself. Let's choose normal now for our next line of text. Since the About Our Team is a heading 2, a subheading to the heading 1, I'm going to choose heading 2 and format it. And follow that up with a paragraph style. I'm going to now break our team leader, our programmers, and our designers, all subtopics of the About Our Team heading 2, into their own separate subtopics. Perfect. And then let's follow up and format all of our paragraphs. As you see, the headings that you place on your page, either a heading 1 through to heading 6, are applied using a single-click method. Let's apply again the heading 2 style to the Our History heading, since it's a separate topic to the Our Team Programmers and Designers headings, breaking down the About Us heading into a separate subtopic. And follow it up with a paragraph. That's basically it. Using your default styles is especially important for search engine optimization success. It's important to use a heading, in other words, over selecting your text and manually resizing it. A search engine will not see the font styling you've applied to a paragraph text, for example, reading it as a heading. Only the heading style can do this for you. Should you be interested in other SiteCM quick tips or webinars, please feel free to check out our help section. Thanks again.